Recording in progress. No, I'm just joking. Bro, I sound like a freaking. Oh, never mind. Y'all don't know that. It's like a JoJo. I don't know if y'all heard of JoJo Siwa, but never mind. Never mind. It doesn't matter. But what's up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Today was pretty choppy, but it was moving smooth, but it was just moving choppy, still giving you sort of signs that price was going down. Uh, Today I just want to say that it's a great week, honestly. It's a great week. I've been busy lately, getting ready to move, and yeah, just a lot. I'm just trying to, get stuff situated. So, today we're just going to talk about what is going on currently in the market. So, we can start from the top because I know y'all talk about that thing that's called top-down analysis. Me personally, I don't do all that, but we can start from, the daily time frame and we can see what is going on. So, if I was just to redraw everything up, you can see that price has a new low in the market on the daily time frame. So, boom, price is bearish for the daily, correct? All right. So this is all the information that we have right now. Price made a new low under the support level on the daily. So there is a new low in the market. Now we go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour now. We can see that price has been coming up for the past couple of days, and price has new highs above these highs here, right? So we got that all down packed, and we see what is going on here. So let's go to the 1 hour because I love the 1 hour, bro. I love the 1 hour. We're gonna remove this line. I love the 1 hour because it gives me enough details to take trades. Now, if I was to mark this chart, I got price over here. Price had highs over here, so I can mark this up. At this time being, let's say we're not focused on what is going on now. Right now, we have this high. So anything above here will be bullish pressure above or bullish control above this high. So with that being said, let's go over to what's happening now, right? Or what happened just last yesterday or the day before yesterday. Price came up and made a high and then pulled back. As it comes back above this high again, what do you think is going to go? When this thing came above this high, it came up to here, right? So it stopped right here when it came above this high over here. When price got to here, it pulled back. And as we come back above, what do you think is going to go this time? It's coming here, right? All right. So now we made a new high, right? And then we pull back, come back to the support level, and then we become bullish again. Now, this is where we got to go to the smaller time frame because it was a quick little push up. So we're gonna go to the 5 minute. I like looking at the 5 minute too for extra details, but I'm gonna explain how I do that in a sec. So this is all that was happening the other day. As you can see, price coming back up, breaking highs, coming back above this level of resistance, and then we broke out, making a new high. Now this is where you have to pay attention to now because you want to focus on you want to take it day by day. Honestly, I would tell you to take it day by day because you'll get better vision of what's really going on because overall if you have like a couple blue days after a price makes a low, then you start seeing red days, then you know that the pullback could be possibly over. So you just got to take everything day by day. So the next day we got to see what the structure is. I personally don't look at the charts around Asian session or London session. I typically only look at it around 9 o'clock because I like, or not even 9 o'clock, my apologies, 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern time because I stay in Georgia. So basically what I'm trying to say is pay attention to your session. Try to get off the charts when it's not in session because most likely you'll confuse yourself. Like let's say if price just continues to go down from here, or let's say if it wants to go up, I don't know, it wants to go up this session and then like Asian session, London session wants to go up. And then when your session comes, this will have you thinking, oh, buys, but it might be a pullback and then it'll just drop from there when the session opens. So you don't want to find yourself doing trading, trying to trade all that when you can just, get in once it breaks the lows or something. I'm just giving an example. This is not was well, I'm just giving an example. Just hear me out. I'm giving you an example. But anyways, this is what was happening today. Price was around this area here when New York was going to open. So yeah, this one is 9:30 right here. But we're gonna see what led up until 9:30 because in the Discord I called out some buys and I called out some sells today. So what made me buy was because of, let's just go back to the 1 hour. The 1 hour here, right, was on a support level. Doesn't really matter how you draw your boxes. I know most people use lines. Just know that this is an area of support and resistance. So this had price going down. So if price is below here, there's more chances of price selling. And then if price is above this area, then it is most likely that price will continue to buy. So whenever price is either buying or selling, when it's selling, it's going to the lows. Whenever it's buying, it's going to the highs. So this is how we caught some buys today. So overall, price is on that level of support. We was waiting for the session to open, and then price was breaking highs. Boom, one high was made. So if we zoom in here, I tell people not to get confused with all the candles. So this is going to be try to replay this over and over so you won't confuse yourself. All right. So if we're looking at it here, I don't want to confuse y'all, but this is how I was looking at it. If we're looking at it here, price had a support area here. On the support, we know that if price is at a support, most likely it could buy. And if price is at a resistance, most likely it's going to sell. So price ended up making an impulsive candle up to the upside, making a high, pulling back, making a new high, pulling back. No lows yet. You see it dropped pretty far down, but no new lows yet. This is the low that we have. Price made a high, price made a low, price made a high, right? So then when 9:30 comes in, 9 o'clock, we're coming down for the sale, but then it's just coming down to retest the previous highs. And then as 9:30 comes, it comes up. And where's it going? It's coming to test these highs up here. So then we get all these highs tested up here. Oh, it's not, my line's pretty off, but yeah, we get these highs tested up here, and that is the buy. When price is buying, it's targeting the highs, and when price is selling, it's targeting the lows. Because as soon as it sold, where did it go? It went straight to the lows. Soon as it sold, it went straight to the lows. So hold on, give me one sec. So as soon as price sold, it went straight to the lows. So you got to keep that in mind anytime price is either buying or selling, because when price is buying, it's going to the highs, and when price is selling, it's going to the lows. So overall, price ended up being under some lows. So we're just going to mark this out now. All right, so let's go here, and we're going to look at these lows over here. This is what I was paying attention to. So we got these lows. You can even do these. When price was using this as a support, it broke these lows. It made a new low in the market, pulled back, and then we got a new low. As it pulled back, as long as it was under here, there was more selling pressure to come under these lows. So that's where everything took place. As long as price was under that level, stop losses could have been around this area here, because this is where price is going to be breaking highs at this point. So now, by the end of the session, after all this consolidation, towards the end of the session, we ended up finding price under the next lows. So possibly we can see price make itself all the way down to this level down here. And this is the 5 minute. But overall, if we go to the 1 hour, it will still be the same thing here. So that is just my overall view on NAS, and US30 is basically going to do the same thing. So US30, we do have highs in the market, but we NAS is falling. So if we find US30 under these lows, then we can possibly see this level of 29,700, and then we can see what happens from there. I hope everyone have a great day, and yeah.